let's first address some of the speculation about Thursday. Of course, this is dominating the news, and well, it should. In terms of speculating on how the Supreme Court is going to rule on Thursday, it's a stupid exercise and worthless, but fun. And so I will engage in it for a moment. Two things. One, so many people, not so many, but a decent amount of people, and I believe they were being sincere with me, said they thought that Roberts and or Kennedy in particular, because he really went out on the limb on the Citizens United case, would take the opportunity of the Montana campaign finance law case to revisit Citizens United, because Citizens United so quickly supposedly became an embarrassment for the court because they spoke incredibly unknowledgeably about the implications of corporate money in our politics. They misspoke as to assuming the transparency involved and the capacity for these outside organizations to be independent of the campaigns. They found as a matter of fact, even though there was no evidence presented at any point, that corporate money does not corrupt politics. People told me that, look, these guys care about their legacy. John Roberts cares about how it's going to go down in history, the Roberts Court. And that's why they're going to revisit this. Well, they didn't. And I don't know if, one can't make a broad a broad conclusion from that in terms of the question as to whether or not their legacy, but they also don't necessarily perceive it as a besmirching their legacy. We assume that they're ashamed of the same things that we would be ashamed of, and that's just generally not the case. Not to mention, John Roberts knows he's going to be on the court for another 20 years. And at this rate, Citizens United, that's going to be, with the capacity of the left, actually, to engage in the importance of the Supreme Court, which seems to me, in my estimation, highly limited for whatever reason. And for the capacity of the left to understand the importance of the court, which in my estimation seems highly limited. By the time, John Roberts is retiring 20, 30 years from now, Citizens United, who's going to remember that? And frankly, I'm not convinced they wouldn't be able to say the same for the Affordable Care Act. Regardless of what you think about the Affordable Care Act, regardless of whether you think there's an opportunity or not to have Medicare for all or single payer or whatever it is, in the wake of this, and that's a separate debate, they are going to be overturning 80 years of precedent in terms of the interpretation of the Commerce Clause if they find that mandate unconstitutional. In the case of Scalia and others, actually, a precedent that they reaffirmed just a couple years ago. And then once you do that, you're just even more eroding our national system of government. So on one hand, that makes me believe that they're not so concerned about their legacy. On the other hand, there's some speculation that the reason why Scalia went off the rails Monday regarding, yesterday, I guess, regarding the SB 1070 ruling was, and apparently Roberts wrote the opinion. The reason why he went off the rails people are guessing is that he's pissed about healthcare. Like, he went so far off the rails that people are thinking, like, there's something else going on here. This is not a guy who's just pissed about this. He's pissed about something more. Now, who knows? Maybe he did get that final letter from Ailes where they said, like, I'm sorry, we don't have room for you on Fox and Friends. And maybe he was just pissed about that. He's like, God damn it. So some people are suggesting that maybe he's pissed about they didn't go far enough with the Affordable Care Act. I don't know. We shall see.